Okay, let's take a look at how WP e-commerce handles coupons, which are a very valuable part of your marketing for your store. So one of the things we need to do is be able to get to the checkout page, and you might have seen in another video, if I click Add to Cart here, and I say Go to Checkout, okay, nothing happens. It keeps going back to the products page. And I thought it might be a setting in WP e-commerce. Well, it turned out when I went to WordPress.org and checked in the forums, it turned out there were people having problems, checkout page not displaying. Now, the answer they give here, again, this is very handy. If you're having troubles, go to the forums, check out what people are saying. The answer that came back from the WP e-commerce people was, have you tried refreshing your permalinks? Well, let's go see if this is going to work. So I go over to my permalinks in WordPress, right, like this. Let me just save changes here. That will refresh permalink structure. And let's go back over to here. And we're going to choose a medium plate. We're going to add it to the cart. Go to checkout. Does it solve our problem? Yes, it does. Very strange. I'm not sure why it solves the problem, but it shows you that's how you can go and find a solution to the problem you've got. All right, so we've got our checkout here. I want to add a coupon to this. And what's going to happen is we're going to have a coupon box show up here once we create a coupon. And we do that through the sidebar here, Products and Coupons. Okay, so we're going to add a new coupon, and I'm going to give it the code A235. That's my favorite code number. I don't know why. 25% off, let's say. Let's make it 50 just to be really obvious. 50. Right now it would take off $50, but I drop this down and I say 50%. Now by default, it sets it up for 1 year as of the date that you're adding the coupon. So right now it's going to take it off on 2013 on the 15th of September. It's going to expire. Of course, you can change that date in here and make it whenever you want. All right. By default, you can activate the coupon on creation. And obviously that's mostly what you're going to do, but again, you may say, I'm not going to do it right at the moment. I'm not sure why you'd need to undo this because you've got a start date here. Like, I don't want it to start until, say, October. So anyway, most of you are going to want to leave activate coupon on creation. Now, this next one says use once. And this is a bit misleading. In fact, it's very misleading. Deactivate coupon after it has been used. Okay? They really need to give more explanation here. And in fact, they do when you go to their documentation. In fact, they give a big warning in the documentation. That warning ought to be right here. This means anybody who uses it. Okay? My instinct would be that this is a per user function, right? I use my coupon once, I can't use it again. That would make some sense. This actually will deactivate the coupon if anybody uses it. So I'm not even sure what use that would be. I suppose if you wanted to set up a coupon for one person and you're on the phone with them and you say, go check out now. I mean, it just doesn't make any sense. I suppose too, only that person has the coupon code. It's just very, very odd. I suppose it's for setting a personal coupon. Maybe that's what it is. Anyway, it'd be nice to see something here that says parameters for users. I could use this 2 times, or it could be used only once, or something like that. Anyway, be very careful with this. Use only once if you're giving out the coupon code to more than one person. Now, apply on all products. Now, this is going to depend on what the coupon is for. So if it's a general discount coupon, yes, you would check this off. If not, you're going to use these conditions down here. And in fact, that's what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to say item name is equal to. Now, I've played around with this a lot, and don't use is equal to when you're using names because it's not going to pick it up properly. What you want to do is contains. And in this case, I'm going to say it contains the word big. Actually, let's just put in big oval platter. It contains that. And I add my coupon. So now you'll see it here, and you can go in and you can edit it. By the way, I've had real problems with deleting conditions. Let's say I wanted to change a condition. In fact, let's try it right here and see what happens. I'm going to add a new condition here. I'm just going to say total quantity, let's say subtotal amount is greater than, say, $25. I don't have the dollar sign in there. $25. Okay. Update the coupon. Let's go back and look at it again here. So I've got the 2 items. Now I want to delete this. Let's see if it works. Open this again. Oh, okay, it deleted it this time. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. And when it doesn't delete it, I've got to actually delete the coupon and start again. But anyway, subtotal amount is greater than $25. Okay, so our coupon is there. I go back to my checkout. Let me refresh this because now it's going to show us a coupon code. Okay, so right now our cost before shipping is $102. So I enter my coupon code, A235, and I update. And nothing happens. Okay. This threw me for the longest time because I kept going, what's wrong with the coupon? Haven't I activated something? Look at this. This is a real user problem for this, and you would want to change this in the structure. This is a template I would want to edit in WP e-commerce because look at this. If you scroll down to here, all the way down to the bottom, oh, there's our discount, and there's our total price. Very, very user unfriendly. Now, what's fascinating is I went to their documentation and I looked at it and said, oh, well, there it is. Discounts right there. Total price is right there. What's not super clear here is notice there's little boxes around each of these. They've clipped the bottom and sort of put it up near the top. So it looks like it's very clear to people. But the reality is you've got all the billing and shipping addresses in between. Anyway, that's a really user-unfriendly fact about these coupons, and that's something you would want to change in the templates for WP e-commerce.